As new technologies such as 3D printing transform the way we create materials, we need better ways of predicting how long they will last. Manufacturing industries take their contribution to the environment seriously to reduce waste and extend the life of products for a sustainable future. How can we better predict and increase the lifespan of materials, reducing the amount that ends up in landfill? We are finding new ways of fatigue testing materials to more accurately predict and improve their lifespan, so products last a lifetime and are still safe for both users and the environment. In the ADDISONIC team, which stands for Advanced Manufacturing Ultrasonic Fatigue Prediction and Life Extension, we are using a process called ultrasonic fatigue testing to test products more quickly and effectively. We can test materials over 1 billion times to mimic the fatigue that materials would usually be subject to as part of their normal wear and tear. This takes just a few days compared to months or years for traditional methods. Our mission is to contribute to reducing global waste by extending the life of materials and improving their performance. This has real-world application across a range of industries, from medicine to aerospace and cars. We'll take the best in global research and work with regional, national and international partners to create real engineering solutions that will improve products and reduce the carbon footprint from landfill or manufacturing processes, preserving our environment for future generations to enjoy.